Aloha, and welcome to episode 27 of my winter long stay in Oahu, December 11, 2024 edition. My name is Beach Monkey. I'm a photographer, surfer, and traveler. My goal is to bring you the best spots to eat, to surf, and to hang out. And please don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons. This episode has a morning session of surfing at Waikiki at Canoes and going to Adela's Country Eatery.
I'm to blame for all I've heard. I'm not sure. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet you there. I don't care. I'm so horny. That's okay. My will is good. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I paddled out for my morning session at Canoes at Waikiki. There was still a leftover swell and the waves were fun. The crowd was light and I got a lot of good rides.
every day for all I care. I'm not scared. Light my candles in our days, 'cause I found God. I'm so lonely, that's okay, shake my head, and I'm not sad, and just maybe I'm to blame for all I've heard, I'm not sure, I'm so excited, I can't wait to meet you there, and I don't care, I'm so horny, that's okay.
Adela's Country Eatery is one of my favorite places to eat on Oahu. It's located on the windward side and is a takeout-focused spot, has no seating. It specializes in homemade noodles crafted by locally grown Hawaiian staples like breadfruit, taro, sweet potato, and avocado. The business is women-owned and committed to supporting local agriculture and food sustainability. When you go inside, you pick out the type of noodle you like, the sauce you want, and any toppings, proteins, etc. It makes for a very flexible dish. Beyond the noodles, the place offers amazing cheesecake. I got the ube flavor. Because everything is made fresh to order, there can be a wait. Last time I was there, it was about a 30-minute wait to get my food. It is recommended phoning ahead to place an order before you arrive. Portions are huge. One dish may serve up to 2 people, depending how hungry you are. I usually eat mine, put it in the fridge, and eat it later again. Parking is very limited, so make sure you time your arrival after peak hours. If you're looking for a neat, locally owned dining experience in Oahu, especially one that showcases Hawaiian-grown ingredients in unexpected formats, Adela's Country Eatery offers something fresh outside the typical tourist path. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and keep checking back for more videos. Aloha.